Fare bella figura. Executive presence even before you speak. Image, impression, credibility, and trust engineering for client-facing professionals. Routines are important for our clothing care. Shoes are wiped down and the high shine attended to once I get home, then placed in cedar shoe trees and rested. The suit jacket is aired and hung up on wooden hangers. The trousers straight into the Colby press to restore the creases. The suits are rotated to rest them and let the wool fibres bounce back into shape. Ties are hung up to let them recover or rolled up if they need that approach like Shantung silk. My point of view, in business, credibility can be created before competence is tested. We can sell them on trusting us by engineering the first impressions we want. So let's be intentional and let's be sharp. Takeaway: simple habits elongate the lifetime of your clothes and always have you looking on point. Classic menswear conventions know the rule to break the rule. Number 33. Can you mix casual and business wear in Tokyo boardrooms? No. Not if you want to be taken seriously. A tweed jacket or odd jacket with a button-down collar and tie looks casual, as does loafers and chinos, and the overall effect is just not professional. Save it for the weekend, and during the week, go for full battle armour. The 4 V's of executive presence are visual, vocal, verbal, value. So who am I meeting and what impression do I want to create? Well, lunch today with a senior official from the Australian Embassy at Ilios Lakanda, Hansamon, 1996. Teaching online for an MBA class for Griffith University, Brisbane, 1975. I wanted to highlight my many years of experience in business in Japan with my luncheon partner. So I went for the navy chalk stripe suit. The outerwear, over the knee, navy, cashmere double-breasted overcoat from Armani, Milano, 1975, and a black fedora from Borsellino, Alessandria, 1857. The cashmere and silk red scarf was from Etro, Milano, 1968. The suit, custom, navy chalk stripe, double-breasted suit, fabric from Fratelli Delfino Busto, Asazio, 1978. Double pleats, Barchetta breast pocket, 35mm double cuffs, flat pocket side vents. The shirt, custom, Winchester style with white collar and cuffs, white cuffs. Shirt with fabric from Lanvin, Paris, 1889, with French cuffs. Horn collar stays, Abbey Horn, Holmes, 1749, from Kirby Allison, Houston, 2007. Tie, pink striped tie from Thomas Pink, London, 1984, in a Windsor knot. And socks over the calf, navy socks. So, cufflinks. Pink cufflinks from Horsen, Huizhou, 2017. Pocket square. Linen pocket square from Simonot, Goddard, Baston, 1787, with pink tips and reverse puff. Badge. Dale Carnegie, New York, 1912, silver corporate badge. The pen. Montblanc, Hamburg, 1906. Card holder, Lanvin, Paris, 1889. The watch, vintage, gold, 24mm, Cartier, Paris, 1847. Tank Française with a black nubuck alligator strap. The fragrance was Terre de Mes, Paris, 2006. High shine shoes, Polini, from San Mauro Pascoli, 1953, derbies with some slight broguing on the medallion. So, intention, outcomes. The navy chalk striped suit had the right old money type of impact I was after for the lunch and the online session. If you want executive presence in Tokyo, I coach leaders on presence, communications, presentations, and sales. So, in the attachments to this video, you'll find 35 free white papers on leadership, sales, executive presence, and also 19 free ebooks and more information about us.